Hey ice cream lovers, ready to embark on a sweet adventure? Today, we're taking you on a tour of America's 10 best ice cream factories. Buckle up, grab a spoon, and let's get churning. First up, we're heading to Vermont, the land of maple syrup, beautiful fall foliage, and Ben & Jerry's. That's right, folks. Our first stop takes us to Waterbury, Vermont, where it all began. This 30-minute tour is like stepping into a whimsical world of frozen delights. You'll get the full scoop on Ben & Jerry's history, from their humble beginnings to becoming an ice cream empire. Picture this. You're walking through the factory, the sweet aroma of waffle cones and chocolate fudge brownie hitting your nostrils. You peek through the windows and see the magic happening. The churning, the mixing, the pure ice cream genius at work. Ben & Jerry's tour guide, and the best part? You get to be a taste tester in the flavor room. It's like Willy Wonka, but with less Oompa Loompas and more Cherry Garcia. And don't even get me started on the flavor graveyard. This is where Ben & Jerry's lays their discontinued flavors to rest, each one with a hilarious headstone. Afterward, enjoy a scoop or two in our ice cream-themed picnic area. Next, we're heading west to beautiful Bend, Oregon, home to Goody's chocolate and ice cream. Now this isn't your massive factory tour. It's a short and sweet 15-minute peek behind the curtain. But don't let the size fool you. They pack a whole lot of deliciousness into that time. You'll witness the magic of ice cream, sorbet, and even chocolate making, all under one roof. Goody's Chocolate and Ice Cream Guide. Media. Goody's Chocolate and Ice Cream Factory Tour. Tasting treats. Goody's Ice Cream Tour. Sampling treats. And the best part? You get 6. Count 'em. 6. Spoonfuls of our incredible treats throughout the tour. Talk about a delicious education. From classic vanilla bean to our signature Oregon berry sorbet, each bite is like a party in your mouth. And if you're a chocoholic like me, you'll love watching us craft those decadent chocolate bars. So, if you're ever in Bend, Oregon, do yourself a favor and add this to your must-do list. Hold on to your hats, ice cream aficionados, because we're about to get fancy. Our next stop takes us to Columbus, Ohio, the home of Graeter's ice cream. What makes Graeter's so special, you ask? Well, my friends, it's all about their unique French pot process. This old-world technique involves small batches and slow churning, resulting in an incredibly rich and creamy ice cream that will rock your world. Graeter's Tour Guide. The 20-minute tour takes you behind the scenes, where you'll witness this time-honored tradition firsthand. You'll see those beautiful copper pots in action, churning out batch after batch of pure ice cream bliss. And of course, no Graeter's experience is complete without a sample of our signature flavor: black raspberry chocolate chip. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, with huge chunks of bittersweet chocolate and a tangy raspberry swirl that will leave you wanting more. So, if you find yourself in Columbus, Ohio, be sure to add Graeter's to your list. Next up, we're heading to the Rocky Mountains, where the air is fresh, the views are breathtaking, and the ice cream is out of this world. That's right, we're talking about Boulder ice cream in Boulder, Colorado. Boulder Ice Cream Guide. Now this isn't your typical factory tour. It's by appointment only. But trust me, it's worth the extra effort. What makes Boulder ice cream so special? Well, for starters, we're all about sustainability. Our factory is powered by 100% wind energy, so you can feel good about indulging your sweet tooth. Plus, we use only the freshest, locally sourced ingredients in our organic ice cream. And the best part? You'll get to sample their incredible ice cream. From classic flavors like vanilla bean and chocolate, to unique creations like lavender honey and chai tea. Hey there, Nittany Lions and ice cream enthusiasts. Our next stop takes us to the hallowed halls of Penn State University, home to the legendary Berkey Creamery. Now, this isn't your typical factory tour with conveyor belts and hairnets. Instead, you get a glimpse into the magic through the foire viewing lobby in their store. Watch as they churn out over 100 different flavors, from classic vanilla to unique Penn State themed creations like Nittany Lion Tracks and Peachy Paterno. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a virtual tour on their website. It's the perfect way to experience the Berkey Creamery from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a Penn State alum, a current student, or just a lover of all things ice cream, the Berkey Creamery is a must-visit. Get ready to step back in time and experience the history of ice cream at the Turkey Hill Experience in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. This isn't just a factory tour. It's a full-blown interactive museum dedicated to all things Turkey Hill. Turkey Hill Experience. Guide. Explore the history of this beloved brand, from its humble beginnings as a small family farm to becoming a household name. You'll learn all about the ice cream making process, from cow to cone, through 9 engaging exhibits. And the best part? You can create your own virtual ice cream flavor in our taste lab. It's like being a kid in a candy store, but with ice cream. The Turkey Hill Experience is the perfect destination for families and ice cream lovers of all ages. Get ready for a charming blast from the past at Ye Olde Mill at Velvet Ice Cream in Utica, Ohio. This family-owned and operated creamery has been a beloved Ohio tradition for over a century. Take a stroll through their historic mill, which dates back to the 1800s, and witness the ice cream making process in action. You'll see how they churn out their signature flavors, using fresh, local ingredients. Afterward, treat yourself to a scoop or 2 at their old-fashioned ice cream parlor. With its vintage decor and cozy atmosphere, it's the perfect place to relax and savor the flavors of yesteryear. And don't forget to explore the beautiful 20-acre grounds, complete with a picturesque pond and a covered bridge. Howdy, partners, and welcome to Brenham, Texas, the home of Bluebell Creameries. Get ready for a rootin' tootin' good time as we explore the factory where this iconic Texas brand is made. Their 45-minute guided tour takes you behind the scenes, where you'll witness every step of, the ice cream making process, from the moment the fresh milk arrives to the final product being packaged and shipped out. You'll even get to see their famous hand-cranked ice cream being made. It's a true testament to their commitment to quality and tradition. And of course, no Bluebell tour would be complete without a generous scoop of their delicious ice cream. Get ready for a down-home good time at Homeland Creamery in Julian, North Carolina. This 6th-generation family farm offers a unique and unforgettable ice cream experience. Hop aboard their tractor-pulled hayride for a 20-minute tour of the farm. You'll get to see their adorable, bottle-fed baby calves, learn all about the milk-making process, and get a behind-the-scenes look at their on-site creamery. And the best part? The tour ends with a free 6-ounce cup of their farm-fresh ice cream. Our final stop takes us to Lamars, Iowa, the ice cream capital of the world, and the home of Blue Bunny Ice Cream. Step into their brand new museum and ice cream parlor, where you'll embark on a journey through the history of this beloved brand. Explore historical photos, interactive kiosks, and learn all about the ice cream making process. And of course, no trip to Blue Bunny would be complete without indulging in their delicious ice cream. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Which ice cream factory are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more sweet adventures.